Of all of the labs that we did throughout this course, my favorite was when we made the gamepad. This lab showed me a more fun and unique real-life application to coding and programming and sensing, rather than just wiring a circuit to gather data for a grade. That's why for my final project, I decided to create a mini game console. Here on my circuit, I've wired a standard mouse pad with the up, down, left, and right directions. I've connected each button to an LED also, so you can see when you're pushing each button. These buttons are connected to digital Arduino pins. Finally, I have wired a standard potentiometer to an analog pin. Here I pulled up my serial port so you can see that the digital pins are 1 when pushed and 0 when not, and also that the potentiometer values go from the 0 to the 1023. When playing the process in code, a 300 by 300 game screen window pops up. I have 4 games programmed into my code, and you choose which game you would like to play by pressing the corresponding letter key on your computer's keyboard. We have S for Snake, M for Maze Runner, P for Ping Pong, and T for 2-player ping pong. First, we'll start with Snake. I've sped up the process to save time, but you can see that the snake eats the red apple square and grows in length. The game is over when the snake runs into a wall or into himself. Next, we have Maze Runner. I saved the maze image from the internet and inserted it into processing. The little red circle is the Maze Runner, and he has won the game when he makes it through the maze's exit. Finally, we have Ping Pong. The ping pong paddle on the right side is the only part of my gaming system that uses the potentiometer for controlling. We can add a second player on the left-hand side. If the ball passes either of the paddles, that player loses.